Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial, and today I'll show you how to edit portrait. This one, just opening up a portrait. This one already taken just in a proper way, but I want to pop up the color just because of that sometimes you should pop up the colors, and you need preset which is a camera preset or the 3D LUT file or something else. So today I'll give you the camera preset. That's why I'm just making this tutorial. So before the start tutorial, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So at first, just making copy by pressing Ctrl J, or you can drag it and drop in this portion or this new layer options, and then go to the filter and camera filter. Those who are using the Creative Cloud version, they will get the by default camera raw filter in your Photoshop, or if you are user of CS6 version, then you have to install it manually. So here is the basic panels, that camera raw filter window and basic panels. At first I'll adjust the highlight things. Suppose press the Alt button and just de-highlight this one. Okay, just leave it. Okay, then add some shadow a little bit and blacks. Press the Alt button and hold it, and yes, when you're getting some dots in the screen, then just leave it. And here is the exposure. I will add some exposure and contrast. And here is the white options. Yes, I'll just decrease the white just because of here is overexposed. And then here is the temperature and tint. I'll make a little bit warmy. Okay, I'll make it like that. Then the curves. Here is the blue curves, so I'll select here and I'll make it like that. And then the red curves, I'll select here actually, and just I'll make like that. That's good. And then the RGB curves, I'll select here, and I'll make it down and select here, make it up. I'll just make it down at first. And then the camera calibration options. Here is the primary red color. I'll work with that. I don't want to make this pink color, I want to make the yellowish little bit. And the primary green color, I'll make this one. And the primary blue color, it's look like the orange and teal, but not actually orange and teal feelings. And I'll adjust this from the HSL panel. Okay, let's go to the HSL panel. Here is the face, which is the orange color. If I increase this one, it will just go like that, but I'll ease it a little bit. And the saturation a little bit down, and the red color I'll increase saturation, and luminance I'll make it down. So, and after that the blue color I'll make like that, and the saturation I'll increase. That's good. And this one, and hue I will make it hue like the aqua. So let's see the before one and after one. Before one overexposed a little bit, but in this photo you are getting all the lights in a proper way. So I'm making like that. So in this panel, and after that here is the effects options, and I'll make it dehaze a little bit. And dehaze, why I'm making it dehaze, just because of I want to focus the model, and that's why I'm just making this one. And if you want, you can add some. Okay, then the sharpening, little bit sharpening amount. After edit this one, just I'll add some luminance of noise reducer for the noise reduction. And then here from I'll reduce the orange color. Now that's good. And hit the OK button. Before hit the OK button, I'll save it for you, and I'll give you that settings to you in my video description, so check it out for the download. In the camera preset, I'm giving the outdoor, and hit the OK button. Okay, let's see the before one and after one. The hues change. in this photo all the things is focused, but in this photo you're getting the model is focused and highlighted. So if you want to highlight your model, you can use this preset. So after that I'll go to the filter and the Nick collection Color Effects Pro 4. Color Effects Pro 4, this one is totally free. You can download this one. I'll give that download link in my video description, so you can use it. This one is very helpful to you in all kind of suppose the various kinds of the plugins or extensions. So I'm using the cross processing these filters, and here is all the methods. If you want, you can use the methods. Suppose I want to use, okay, let's check it out how method look like. You can experiment with these methods. So yeah, I'll use this one, and the strength will be 23, and the shadow and highlighting 0 and 0, and opacity 100%, and hit the OK button. Okay, it's taking time and it will give you the output. Yeah, let's see the before one and after one. So you're getting nice image with the nice shadow highlighting. Actually I want to give the dramatic look, that's why I'm just making this one. So hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. If you have any kind of question, query or request, please do comment on my video comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and share with a friend. Until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out, and bye bye.